Good day. Today's video is a file footage from January 2024. Please enjoy. Good day and welcome back to my channel. So it's a rainy day and we are coming to our area. Look at how my feet are. I wasn't prepared for this. I thought it's going to be a sunny day, but all of a sudden it started raining. We were thinking that the rains will start tomorrow, but the weather forecast was going to start tomorrow. But here we are. So this is what it is. Walk 2 meters or just 2 steps without having to adjust. But it's a good thing we needed the rains. It was high time. It's just that we are never prepared. Though this year the rains were very late and not much rains we experienced here in Zimbabwe. The little that we had, look at how it makes the land look like it's all very wet and muddy, and it makes it difficult to move. Every 2 steps I had to to stop and clean my shoes because they were so muddy. So throughout this area, as you can see, it's a small stream that runs through our property. We're just thinking we have to be very creative about it. We're not going to disturb the flow of the water. You can see it's coming from further up there and from the other side, and so we'll just leave this stream as is, but instead we'll put a small footbridge on the other side, and then the other side we'll just do our driveway and the proper bridge just to allow the stream of water to continue as is. We will try not to disturb the nature and it will look perfect, I know. So you see, this is the small stream. So here the work that was being done was to put the floor as well as the roof so that we can start using the cottage. So this is what remains of the back filling, as well as some gravel and some river sand and bricks, some pit sand over there. We're going to be cleaning it up very soon, so that we create a pathway and a driveway for the cars as well. Let's go in and see how it looks like. It seems as if some cows and some goats were making this their home for quite some time, but not for long now. We'll be coming on in here to fit our doors. Let's finish doing the measurements from the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area. Right here, I'll put a small bowl, a sink here, so that we can wash our clothes or our plates. And then here, we will be cupboards inside and inside, and then the cupboards inside. But I think here we have to put a dining door because of the space. Because this will like take up the space, and then here is a door. I want to put a stove here, then I don't need that stove. So this will be the area. And then this side will also have some other cupboards, and then up here and up here is much space as you can use. so that we maximize the space. I like the idea of me when we do my dishes while watching outside and so nice. So for me now we'll be having drawing. It will just be drawing. No blur. It's just a frame. And this time we can leave our sofas here and just sit here and watch our TV. There's no footage even. And then you go downstairs to the bedroom. So yeah, we're looking forward to this. We'll just finish doing the measurements for the windows. And tomorrow we'll buy the windows to come and fit here. From tomorrow onwards we can literally stay this way. So we'll be coming here. I think we'll need to